If you need your RRSP tax slip for tax season, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your RRSP tax documents in the Wealthsimple app, how to open them, and how to save or share them. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all of your investment and savings accounts. Scroll down until you find your RRSP account, then tap on it to open it. You'll now be on your RRSP account page, where you can see your balance and account activity. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the gear icon to open your account settings. Now scroll down until you see the Documents section. Under Documents, tap on Tax Documents. This page contains all of the tax documents that Wealthsimple has issued for your RRSP account. If your account is brand new or you have not made any eligible RRSP contributions yet, you may not see any tax documents. That's completely normal. Wealthsimple only generates tax forms after they become available for the applicable tax year. If you do have documents available, you'll see them listed here. Tap on the document you want to open. The document will open as a PDF. For RRSP contributions, you'll typically receive a T4RSP contribution receipt. This is a document you'll need when you're preparing your income tax return, since it reports your RRSP contributions that may be eligible for a tax deduction. Take a moment to make sure you're viewing the correct tax year before using the document for your tax return. If you want to save or send the document, tap the Share button in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you'll see all of the available sharing options on your device. You can save the PDF to your files, email it to yourself, print it, or share it with your accountant if needed. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more simple, step-by-step tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.